Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I will show you how to change clock text and clock text size in lock screen or screensaver in macOS Tahoe 26. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. First of all, click on the system settings icon on the dock. Here on the left side, you need to switch to wallpaper, and then on the right side, click on the clock appearance button. In this dialog box, you will find option show large clock. Using this drop down, you can select where you can show the clock. It could be screensaver and lock screen only and never. If you made up to this video, then I presume you have already selected one of the option. Below it, you will find 6 different font type for the clock. You can select the one you want to show. Next, you can increase and decrease the size using this slider. You will also get preview of the text weight as well. Once you find the perfect size, leave the pointer there. Now if you lock the screen, you will notice that the changes are applied. Just like that, you can try with different text type and weight and choose the one that you find perfect. I'll go with this one. And that's it. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.